Alright, so we're gonna go test out these bird scooters, see how much they cost, if they're practical, and if they're fun. Anyways, we got a little bit of a trek to get to the birds. First bird is about a half mile away, probably. Brandon got a bird. I'm birdless in the city. I'm on the bird, acquired a bird, been racing around, popping wheelies. So far the birds have been a mild success. Fortunately, got to do some walking to the next pair of birds because the birds we took to the brewery ran out of juice and they wouldn't let us re-rent them. JJ just pulled up and he's gonna give us a ride to the bird scooters, so this worked out pretty handsomely.